It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! I said no chicken, I said.
Floatability is, wow, 9 out of 10. That is very good.
Hey, big. Hey, big. What's with all the bubbles?
Bubbles? What bubbles?
Those bubbles up there. Big, are you keeping secrets from me?
Well, I was planning a surprise for you.
Really? And all by myself surprise? Oh, big! Woohoo! Woohoo! I've never had a surprise before. What a surprise! Yes! Yes! Oh, surprise! Hey, does my surprise involve bubbles?
Yeah, well, I can't say because that'd be a clue.
So?
Well, so if I give you clues, you might guess a surprise, and then it won't be a surprise anymore. It'll be a thing you know about.
Oh, come on, Big. Come on, please. Just one clue. Just one small clue.
Well, no.
I know. How about I give you clues about your surprise, and then you can give me clues about mine?
You've got a surprise for me?
Uh-huh. Yeah. The clues. So I'll give you clues about your surprise, okay? And after you find it, then you can give me clues about my surprise.
Oh, that's so thoughtful, Small. I love surprises.
Yeah, that's me. Thoughtful.
So, what's my first clue?
Well, let me just go and put the finishing touches on your surprise, okay? So I'll be right back. You stay here.
Yeah.
Okay, Big. Okay, it's even more planned now. So follow me for clue number 1.
Great.
Come on, Big. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Shake a leg, Big. Shake a leg.
I'm shaking it.
Keep going. That's right. And keep going. And stop. Right here. Okay? Yes. Clue number 1 is around here somewhere.
Ooh, flowers. Is it flowers?
No, it's not.
Is it dust?
No. Here's a hint, Big. Okay, bring me over here. Okay, here we go. Okay, what does a piano make, Big?
A piano makes a nice addition to our living room.
No, Big, it makes...
It does.
I know that, but it makes music.
Oh, music.
Okay, the answer to the first clue is music. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, Big, it's clue number 2.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's on this table right here, and it rhymes with something that you wear on your feet.
Ooh, shoes. Flip-flops. Is it flip-flops?
No. You have to concentrate, Big, okay? The clue rhymes with something that starts with an S and ends with ox.
Rocks.
No, guess again.
Okay. Fox?
Oh, no, it's box, Pig.
Oh, box. Oh, never would have got that.
Yeah, the second clue was box, okay?
Okay.
All right, now let's go. Okay, Pig, okay. So the clues are music,
Yeah.
box,
Yeah.
and the last clue,
Okay.
and it's a biggie.
Sky?
Oh, no, Pig. It's Twea. The answer is Twea.
Okay.
Okay, so far now I'm giving you 3 clues.
Mm-hmm.
Music, box, and Twea. Okay, go, Big. Go on, guess the surprise.
Okay. Guessing the surprise. Music box. Okay.
Oh, Big, are you even trying?
Wait, I've got an idea. Why don't we just forget the clues and you give me the surprise?
Oh, but Big, that means that... That means I'll get to my surprise quicker. Well, that's a great idea, Big. Okay, Big, your surprise is at the end of this treasure hunt, okay? Okay, now tiptoe to the tomatoes. Come on, that's right. Tiptoe, come on, Big, let's get a move on. Tiptoe to the tomatoes. Now, what do you see?
Ah, my tomatoes.
That's right, they're red and juicy and delicious, but that's not the surprise, so sidestep to the peppers.
Okay.
Sidestep to the peppers. Now, what do you see, Big? They're yellow peppers, but they're not the surprise. Now, hop onto the wheelbarrow, Big.
Okay.
That's right. Hop. And now, what do you see?
Nothing.
Precisely, because we need to slide to the purple flowers. Slide to the purple flowers. Now, what do you see here?
Not the surprise. I'm guessing
Right, now
there.
dance to the sunflowers.
Okay, hold on.
Dance, Big, dance. That's right, dance. Surprise!
Sorry. Small. It's beautiful. A cereal box. Small, I love it.
Big, that's not the surprise. The surprise is inside.
There's more. Small. An empty cereal box. Oh, small, I love it.
Did you just say empty?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Twea.
Twea? Okay, here we are.
Hello? Don't you remember agreeing to jump out of the box and sing a song to Big for his surprise?
Yes, I believe I do.
So where were you?
Listen, you took too long, and the box smelled all breakfasty. Not to mention my vocal cords were seizing up. You see?
But you've ruined my surprise.
Well, I can do the song now, if you like. I mean, if you say please.
Please?
Words know how to make it happen. We know what to do. If you want a surprise, we're gonna give it to you. We can make them cuckoos jump out of their clocks. We can make that Jack jump out of his box. No one can beat us because we win the prizes. Worms are the best at giving surprises. Worms know how to make it happen. We know what to do. If you want a surprise, we're gonna give it to you. We can make them cuckoos jump out of their clocks. We can make that Jack jump out of his box. No one can beat us because we win the prizes. Worms are the best at giving surprises. Worms know how to make it happen. We know what to do. 'Cause worms are the best and we're gonna give it to you.
That was a real surprise. You have a nice voice, Twea.
Well, funny you saying nice. Most people say brilliant.
Don't worry, Small. Cheer up. There's still my surprise for you.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, woohoo. All right, it's my turn. Okay, give me a clue.
Okay. This will go up, and you will be looking down.
Okay.
It's really hard. Oh, no, you're never going to get it. Do you want a clue?
Is it a bubble-filled umbrella so I can float above the clouds?
Yes.
I've always wanted one of those. All right, let's go. Come on, Big, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Was that clue too easy? I didn't think so. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Yeah. Okay, get ready to be amazed by the power of... Hey, the bubbles are all squashed up. They're supposed to be enough to lift you up above the clouds.
That's okay, Big. You know what? That really was a great idea. And now my umbrella smells like bubbles, which is really great. Today has been filled with lots of surprises. Just not the ones we planned.
You know what? You're right. Twea not being in that box.
Yeah.
That was a surprise.
Yeah, plus the fact that she can actually sing.
Wow. The bubbles are taking the roof away. Another surprise.
Yeah, big surprise.
That's a whole lot of surprises for one day.
I'd say that the frogs will get the biggest surprise when the roof falls in the pot.